Welcome back to DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum on YouTube, where video notifications of new doll installations are published weekly. This week's installations include an early 1900s cabinet doll made of celluloid and composition. The doll has been redressed. It has a synthetic black wig and painted brown eyes. The combination of celluloid heads and composition bodies was first introduced commercially in Germany around the turn of the century. Schildkraut was one of the first to create a popular model in 1903, pairing the new celluloid heads with more traditional composition bodies. This doll is a fine example of a combination celluloid and composition doll. The second installation for this week is Little E by Katie Dolls Collectible. This doll has hand-painted facial features, is a one-of-a-kind artist doll, wears its original clothes, and has a furry tan bunny rabbit. Little E also has a hang tag, the front of which has an image of a circa 1940s little girl who appears to be around the age of 3 or 4. The little girl's relationship to the artist is unknown. The front of the hang tag also has the artist's contact information at the time this doll was made. That was her information. The back of the hang tag was handwritten by the artist, and it reads Little E by Shirley E. Banks. The third and final installation for this week is Alicia by Elissa Glassgold for Zaff Creation 2002. Alicia is made of artist vinyl, and she has a cloth body and cloth upper arms and upper legs. Her lower legs are also vinyl. She has an 11-inch brown cloth doll, and Alicia is 29 inches tall. She's all original, made in Germany, and is from a limited edition of 750 dolls. Alicia has a hang tag and a certificate of authenticity. Upon arrival, Alicia's black curly synthetic wig was tightly curled. The curator used a plastic bristle brush to loosen up the curls and give the wig a more natural appearance. The curator also added hoop earrings that are embellished with beads. Alicia and her doll are the third installation this week. Links to each installation are in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, visit the museum website at virtualblackdollmuseum.com. Find the subscribe button, enter your email address, and you'll be updated by email when new installations are published. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your comments and feedback are also appreciated.